Hello everyone, welcome to happymath.com. So today's topic is using a given probability value, find a corresponding x. Okay, so please look at an example. In a survey of women in the United States, the mean height was 64.1 inches with a standard deviation of 2.71 inches. So A, what height represent the 95th percentile? B, what height represent the top 10th percentile? C, what height represent the third quartile? Okay, so of course we can using the Z formula like last time, but this time we focus on using Excel commander and find out its answer. Okay? You ready? Okay, then let's do it. So, the first questions. So, we are finding 95th percentile, which means from the bottom, cumulative percentile become 95th%. So, it already indicate that left-hand side area. Okay, so just make equal norm, and then you are choosing inverse this time, and the probability value become 0.95 and comma, what's the mean? Oh, I haven't organized yet. Sorry about this. So I insert a line here, then just organizing data. Mean equal to 64.1 and standard deviation equal to 2.71. Okay, sorry about that. And equal to norm inverse and click probability 0.95, comma, and then we select mean value, comma, the standard deviation, and close the enter. Then just making maybe 2 decimal digits, then 68.56 inches represent basically 95th percentile height. Okay, now B here, what height represent the top 10%, 10th percentile, which means if you drew the graph, it is on the right hand side 10%. Okay, therefore, this time you need to find out left hand side percentile first. Top 10%, then from the bottom, it will be 90%. The reason is total sum becomes equal to 1 or 100%. Makes sense, right? Therefore, what I want to do, I'm going to subtract 1 minus 0.1 first. Then it becomes 90 percentile height basically. Okay, then now equal to norm inverse and click the 0.90%, which is here, and then mean value 64.1, comma, and 2.71, and enter. So that will be the second question answer. Okay, now C. What height represent the third quartile? Okay, quartile means basically 25%. So this time it is asking 75% because 25% plus 25% plus another 25%. So it represents 75% basically. Okay? Therefore, this case equal to norm inverse and just put 0.75, comma, our mean value, comma, the standard deviation, and then enter. Then they also make maybe both answer. I'm gonna make 100 digit. Yeah. So the C answer become 65.93. That's the answer for this problem. Okay. So I'm gonna highlight for you so you can see the answer clearly. That's the answer basically. But now, the second case, I can introduce maybe another way to find it. Yeah, I told you it's top 10%, then we need to subtract that from the 1 first. So you can make this way too. So equal to norm inverse first. And the probability value, you can make 1 minus 0.1 and comma, just copy down the same mean, comma, the standard deviation, and then enter. Then, as you see, you got the exactly same answer. So I can highlight this for you too. Yeah, yeah. So that's it basically. It's pretty simple, right? Yeah. So, likewise, we cover today using a given probability value and find a corresponding x. I hope this video helped you to study this topic. And then, as usual, I will see you with a different video soon. All right? Thank you.